Hello everyone, Trader with a Cause here, and here's my view for the New Zealand dollar NZDUSD. But I would like to remind you that it is not a trade advice. Your capital might be at risk. Okay, so as we go on, we can see on the daily chart that the price as of now is at OTE level, FIBO level, which means optimal trade entry in the ICT word. And since it is in the OTE level, we would like to look for an entry on the 4-hour chart or on the 1-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price is in consolidation in relation to the order block on the left. I colored the green box as per the order block. So we can assume that this price will go to the north today, if not today, on Monday onwards. So what we're going to do is to look for a trade entry this London Open or London session or in New York session and take our target of 30 pips. So as of now, in 1-hour chart, it is also in consolidation, so we have to wait later if we will get a break on market structure and retrace on the order block for the 1-hour chart, or we can still plot our FIBO level and wait for the optimal trade entry level to reach, then we will go north. That's it for today. Take care. Bye bye.